In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Exness to Binance. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Exness and Binance together. This will allow you to withdraw any funds available in Exness directly to Binance. And all that you need is a Binance ID. So all that you have to do is from Exness, either the app or the website, go over to the withdrawal option. In this video, I'm going to showcase this process through the app, but you can also do it through the website as I've mentioned. So when you go over to withdraw, you will see the main ways in which you can withdraw your balance, with one of them being Binance Pay. So all that you have to do if you wish to connect Binance directly to Exness is to choose this option here. By using Binance Pay, you will be able to receive your money instantly. So the payment method should say Binance Pay, double check it here. Choose the currency and then from which account you want to transfer. So select the Exness account that you are using. Afterwards, you will be able to input the amount according to how much you have available, and you will see the amount displayed here. Be aware of all the terms and any possible included fees and then tap continue. Usually, when you select Binance Pay, you will be redirected to another page where you will have to confirm your withdrawal by signing in to your account. All that you need is the Binance ID. So as you can see, for successful withdrawal, provide your Binance ID. You could check here where to find it. So as long as you input the Binance ID in this input window here, you will be good to go and you will receive the specific amount of currency that you chose. Tap confirm and wait for this process to finish. If you are unsure if this is going to work, I recommend sending a small amount first to make sure that everything was set up accordingly, and then you can send the rest. Binance will allow you to receive your money instantly as long as you use your proper Binance ID. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Exness to Binance. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.